Well, what have we got here? New car parts for the 1965 Ford Fairlane. Let's see what arrived today. I'm pretty excited about this one here because let's see what we got. We got some wire dividers. I've been wanting these for a bit because I wanted to clean up that engine bay. And guess what else we got? We got some ignition wires. I ordered the red Taylor Pro ignition wires to give that engine bay a little bit better. The ones that are on there are yellow, and I wanted to dress it up a little bit more. So that's gonna be awesome. We got a new Flamethrower 2 ignition coil. I needed a new coil. As you guys all know, I've been having some ignition issues. And then the last thing we got was this Pertronics distributor. I needed to get a new distributor. As you guys know, the old one went kaput on me, so there's the old one. And I needed to get this new distributor. Let's open it up here and check it out, see what we got. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, good stuff here. It's a new Pertronics Flamethrower distributor to replace that old guy right there. Perfect. Should be a good, perfect fit for this car. It's got the vacuum lines and everything on there, so it's gonna be perfect. So this 1965 Fairlane build is coming together piece by piece, and I'm super excited to get this going. As you guys all know, the car is running. I have it on a temporary distributor at the moment. I got one on loan from the mechanic who has been helping me out with this car. So I have one on loan, and this is gonna be the new one to go in there. But as you can see, slowly but surely, little bit by little bit, we got some parts coming for this car. A little bit of engine dress up, and then some ignition stuff. So we're gonna get this going in this episode of the 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe build. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and install these Taylor spark plug wires onto the Ford Fairlane here. Let's have a look at them. I went with the red spark plug wires, which I'm really excited about because it's gonna really change the inside of this engine bay to the look that I'm going for. The yellows are okay, but really think these reds are gonna match this really, really well. So let's go ahead and get this install started. Looks like I have all the wires that I need here, and I have some contact gel to make sure the contacts are all there. And from looking online, it looks like the first thing I need to do is organize these wires here. And basically the reason why is you're gonna wanna know which one is the longest and which one is the shortest, because you're gonna go replace these one at a time, and you're gonna follow which one is, you know, you need the longest wire where based on the placement of the distributor. And if we go look at it here, like for instance, you know, this one's gonna be the shortest. This one looks like it's gonna need to be long. We're gonna go ahead and check everything out to make sure everything's organized, replace one at a time, and then go from there. All right, so if we start by unraveling a few of these here, it looks like we have our two short ones here. As you can see, these ones are much shorter than those ones, so we're just gonna go ahead and lay them out here. So it looks like I have 4 that are the same length up here and 4 that are the same length here, and then my 2 short ones here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the engine. Obviously my 2 short ones are gonna be for the coil wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm only gonna use one of these guys, it looks like, and it's probably gonna be this one right here for the coil. Never hurts to look at the instructions here. All right, so this says right here, replace wires one at a time, beginning with the longest wire and ending with the shortest. So we're gonna go and replace these 2 back ones first to here, and then the 2 front ones, and then do the same thing on this side, and then do the coil. So what it looks like is I'm gonna have 2 long ones, 2 short ones on the left side, 2 long ones, and 2 shorter ones on the right side, just because there is only 2 lengths in this box, so it's basically gonna be 2 and 2. So I'm gonna pull 2 wires for this side, and 2, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. That's how that's gonna go. And basically what I'm gonna do is the 2 back are gonna be the 2 long ones, and the 2 front are gonna be the 2 short ones. So it should be a pretty easy install. And then this silicone lubricant is gonna go on the inside. I already grabbed some cotton swabs to apply, and it goes on the inside of the boot and this boot here. So I'm gonna start by first, looks like I have some clips here that I need to remove. So first, I'm gonna cut this clip to free all the wires here. So all the wires should now be free. And I'm going to reach down here. The engine's a little hot. It says twist and pull with one motion. There we go. First one is off. So we're gonna do one at a time. And this one should come off the distributor. Pretty easy, that one came out. All right. It looks like this is kind of a short wire. However, it's the longest route from the back spark plug all the way to the distributor. Now I have to decide on which way to route, and I think I'm gonna route them kind of the same way around this guy here. So I'm gonna come from the spark plug down and around, so I can come around the valve cover here and then back up to the distributor right here. And then that way all of them kind of come around, and then I can use these clips right here to keep them kind of organized a little bit. So underneath here, down and around, and up to the distributor. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this silicone lubricant. So I'm just gonna take a little bit here and rub some on the inside of this boot. Like so. And then same thing on this side over here. So I should just reach in here, and it says I should just feel a snap onto the spark plug. There we go. You hear it and you kind of feel that snap, so you know it's a good seal on there. And then this guy comes up and should just install on here. There, and you can feel it kind of snap in right there as well. And you know you have a good seal right there. All right, perfect. So now I'm just gonna go one at a time here. The next one is also gonna get a long one because this one it goes from the second to the front, so that's gonna be a long one, and then the last two are gonna be short. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those real quick, and then come back and get you guys on so you can see what it looks like. And there it is, you guys, right here, all installed on this side. As you can see, I still have the yellows over here, still have to do the side over here, but I have all the red wires, and I already installed these little Ford racing little holders. Try to organize it the best I can. As you can see, I got 4 coming out right here. I got 3 right here, and then I'm holding these back here with this one. I might do a little bit more organizing on it, but definitely looks way better than that yellow with the red on the inside there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the install on this side and then come back and get you on. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. I'm already digging the way that this looks, you guys, so super, super excited. Just look at that. Red and black matches amazingly. I can't wait to get this out to the car shows, you guys.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And there she is, you guys. All the spark plug wires installed. The red matching the red Ford Racing valve covers there. It looks so much better than that yellow. I really like the way that that turned out. Cleaned up that engine bay quite a bit, got rid of all that yellow. I like these Ford Racing little wire holders there. Kind of keeps everything nice and organized. I'm gonna try and go through a little bit and try and organize a little bit more. I don't like where the placement of this is right here because this master cylinder, as you guys saw in one of the last episodes, has a small little drip coming out of it. So we're gonna go ahead and try and just organize it a little bit better, but there's a nice little look of the way that it looks now. Now the real test is, will it fire up with the new spark plug wires? Let's check and see. We can only hope and pray. Here we go. First try. Second try, baby. Second try. She fires up. Let's go ahead and go check it out with the engine running. Here we go. There we go, baby. Engine is running with the new spark plug wires. Idle is a little high. Let's go in here. See if we can bring it down a little bit. There we go. Get it to idle down a little bit. Oh, looks so good. Way better than those yellow ones that we had in there, but man, you know, this old school stuff has really grown on me. Being able to work on my own car in my own garage here, you guys, It has really grown on me. It's so much fun just to tinker around with this. I know I can't get underneath the hood and work on the Audi R8, maybe the F-150, but for sure not the Audi R8. But being able to do this in my own garage is so rewarding and so awesome to be able to just get this car to run first of all, and now to do my own modifications on it. I am so excited to get this done, you guys. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. Please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. I'm gonna continue building this 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe. So if you like this content, stick around, subscribe, and check out the rest of the videos. I have a whole playlist on this Ford Fairlane. Check out my social pages, Hot Wheels Dad, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.